Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Subscribe our channel for more quotes. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Whether you think you can, or you think you can, you're right. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. Subscribe our channel for more. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Vision without execution is just hallucination. Subscribe our channel for more quotes. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Any customer can have a car painted any color that he wants so long as it is black. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Chop your own wood and it will warm you twice. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. It is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning.